Hey everybody, this is Midnight Update. I am Seamus Byrne and welcome to Wednesday, 4th of February. The zombie apocalypse has descended upon Australian roads, spreading from last week's road sign attack in Austin, Texas. Zombies ahead, said one Queensland sign, along with the all-time meme favourite, all your sign belong to us. Turns out instructions on how to hack these road signs are now readily available online. Confusing the situation with a B-grade movie, Queensland Main Roads Department claimed the prank had the potential to kill. Tech prices are going north as the value of the dollar bites us in the butt. Gerry Harvey suggested to The Australian that recent years have been all win for consumers, while makers and retailers have been working on very slim margins. He's now expecting that a lot of retailers will die off in this tougher market. If you want a piece of that consumer-friendly gravy train, it seems you'd better get in quick before it disappears. CNET reports the Google Android phone, aka the G1, aka the HTC Dream, may be on its way to Optus. Today I received a save the date for a dreamy, their word, HTC event dated 5th of February, which is this Thursday, but I'm pretty sure they meant 5th of March, based on the all teas, no details invitation. If it is this Thursday, you'll find out a lot more very, very soon. Optus haters should cross their fingers, as CNET did offer some hope by suggesting other carriers may get in on the action. Today, Skype launched the version 4.0 client for Windows. There have been cosmetic changes for a better overall experience, but it still disappears into compact mode if you prefer. Skype points to big changes under the hood as the heart of 4.0, with updated audio and video systems the key. The new client should be available for download by the time you see this. There was more launch excitement today, with Sennheiser unveiling the new top-of-range reference headphones, the HD800. I had a chance to catch up with Sennheiser yesterday to get a sneak peek at the new cans, and I asked product manager Maurice Guarré what goes into a $2,200 set of headphones. Tell us a little bit about what goes into the design process for something as remarkable as these.
First of all, you do the sound, so the transducer, putting all your effort into the acoustics, and after that you try to find materials supporting this acoustics. We have combined a lot of different materials, going from acoustically open stainless steel to support the transducer. We have a cloth covering the transducer, which is also acoustically open. We took Leona plastic material because it's so dense that the own vibrating is nearly zero, so when the transducer works it doesn't start vibrating. Goes up to the headband, which is a 3-layer material to make sure there is no mechanical movement during the enjoyment of the music. Choosing Alcantara leather for ear pads, which is very skin friendly, to make sure there is no problems with that.
The material Alcantara, literally I had not heard that word until today, so what exactly is Alcantara?
Alcantara is a kind of leather, and it's very special leather, it's very skin friendly, and in Europe you can order cars actually with Alcantara covered seats as an extra, so it is something special, also easy to clean, and as I said, very skin friendly.
One of the interesting things with the technical specs is the dynamic range that's actually on offer. So I think in the spec it's 6 to 51k, and humans apparently at their best only hear about 20 to 20k. So what is the purpose of going that much beyond?
Yeah, for reproducing a natural sound, we intend to do the frequency response flat. But to having a 100% flat one, you have to start before 20 Hertz and you have to go way over 20 kilohertz, because if not, you start maybe 40, 60, 80 Hertz and you already go down after 16, 17. So to make it really all the way 20 to 20 flat, we start at 6 and end at 51.
Yeah. It's been quite a while since the 650s hit the market, and now sort of the 800s are arriving. So what is it about sort of the extra time that it has taken in between?
First of all, I mean, you have to start with a completely new acoustic concept, because we knew the one we had in the past was good for the models we used it, but we wanted to make something completely different, completely new. So this took most of the time. We had different possibilities, different ideas. We tried out different ones, even as prototypes, but then we went to this one we have right now. You spend also a lot of time in material choices, and at the end, even to the question, okay, how do you want to produce the entire thing? I mean, it's easy to put it on the table when you have 20 engineers putting it together themselves, but then giving it to a production line, saying, okay, now this please, in quantities, it was also kind of a big work for us, and we produce them in Germany in our headquarters, so it was a big task for these guys as well.
I think this is about as close as I'm going to get to owning a pair of these. But they sound amazing, so I'm going to cling to this moment as long as I can. The audio range is pretty spectacular, and I think what Maurice was saying about the how far they've pushed things in order to keep it flat right across the audible range, it really does come out in the audio quality. So amazing headphones. That's all for tonight's update. Thanks for stopping by. You can join us weeknights around midnight Sydney time for Daily Geek News, and for more coverage visit midnightupdate.com.